Hey friends, today we have a new product from Milk Makeup. It is the Future Fluid Concealer. It's high tech. It's an all over cream concealer. So this is the PR package that they sent over. So cute. It's mirrored all throughout. And then you open it up to see the product. Inside I have 3 shades to play around with and also a sponge to apply the products. So let us get into these colors. So this first shade is 24N. I'm going to do swatches of all the shades so you guys can see what they look like on. So we're going to swatch it right over here. Ooh, this kind of looks like a good match already. What do y'all think? I think this looks good, and it also feels good. And the color looks good. The consistency looks really nice, and it feels pretty good so far. Okay. These are actually multi-use. They are medium to full coverage concealers. So next we have 27W for warm. So we're going to test this out right next to the previous shade. Put this down here. I can already tell this, yeah, this is gonna be a contour shade for me. Like, I'm gonna use this to basically carve out my face. It looks really nice though. I love the consistency of these so far. So that's 27W. 29N is the last shade that they sent over, so we're gonna test this out as well. So this is this one. Ooh, maybe this one's a contour because it's like more neutral. Okay, so these are the 3 shades. Clearly the first one is going to be my all over face color. So the cool thing about this product is you can use it all over your face, like basically a foundation almost. That's one of the things that definitely intrigued me because I've never used a product like that. Obviously I have used concealers all over my face as spot conceal, but it's different than when you have a product that's actually made for that. And for someone who has hyperpigmentation and acne scarring and acne spots, spot concealing has never been my friend because literally I spot conceal my whole face. I'm gonna take these off so I can start with a fresh face. So I'm going to use this Milk primer before I start applying the concealer all over my face. Okay, so I'm so excited, you guys, because the claims are these are gonna give you a weightless, hydrating feel. They're also gonna cover, sculpt, and look very skin-like, which we love. They are weightless and buildable as well. I'm just dabbing that in. This comes in 30 shades, which is definitely amazing. I love the shade range. Also love the diversity in the models. I really love that. I appreciate that, Milk. So I'm taking 24N. I'm going to start applying that to my face. I'm going to put some over here. One of the cool things about this product is that it's multi-use. You can use it all over your face, which I think is cool. I'm going to blend a little bit more. The coverage is looking really nice. Okay, coverage. The coverage is looking pretty good. The match is pretty insane, you guys. Like, the match looks really good. I'm gonna put some down here. This area is a little darker for me, but let's just see how it works out. Typically, I do color correcting to make it just look better. I'll put some here as well. Oh my goodness, y'all. Do you see that? Like the way this covers. Oh, I think I love this. Okay, wait. I think I really like the way this covers. So far, I really love the way it looks. Like it blends and covers really well. It has hyaluronic acid for hydration. It also has aloe and areca for soothing your skin. It has caffeine for brightening. It also has a barrier restoring property, so it's gonna help your skin. It has like skin benefits as well, which we always love. I didn't apply any directly under my eye yet, just because this shade is more so my foundation shade than it is my like under eye concealer shade. But girl, this match is incredible. All right, we're gonna put some on my forehead. I think I just found my new fall foundation. I think I just found my new base routine. This is beautiful. I love the finish. The coverage looks really good. This is supposed to help with covering breakouts, redness, hyperpigmentation, as well as dark circles. and I can definitely see that. I'm gonna use the shade 27W to contour. It is a warmer shade, but since 24N was more neutral, I want to add a little bit more warmth to my face. So I'm gonna use, so I decided to use this one for the contour situation. Also, I don't have an under eye shade. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this in first. Do you see how it blends though? Like, it blends so easily. Like, I am amazed at how it blends. It blends so well. Like, it just melts right into your skin. What did I just, what do you see? Why is it? I didn't realize I put so much. Oh my gosh. I feel like it's so seamless. Like, it just blends so seamlessly. I'm gonna use a brush for this first. For my nose, I'm first gonna take a brush to just push the product around and try to blend a little bit. Then I'm gonna take a sponge and go over. So I'm gonna use it under my eye, even though the shade is gonna look a little different. It's not my typical under eye color, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it there so that way I can see at least what the consistency looks like, because the skin under your eye is definitely different. It's a lot softer and just like more thin than the rest of your face. Saved it for last so we can really get into it. Do y'all see my skin though? Like, I feel like this looks so good. It's given model. Like, this, it's given like backstage model. I don't know, it's something about it just looks like model skin. Yeah, this blend is crazy. Product is definitely really fun to work with because it just cooperates. Like, it just does what it needs to do. It just blends so easily. It's wow. I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty powder to set under my eye. I'm using a magnifying mirror right now, and you guys, this looks amazing. I don't know what's in this product, but they did what they needed to do. Like, they really did that. I don't know what's in here, but all I know, the skin is given. I'm gonna use my Kosas Air Brow today because I feel like this look calls for a very like model brow look. So we're gonna do this. I feel like the messy brow look kind of goes with this. I'm doing some pencil black eyeliner just to smudge a little bit on my eyelid. It's gonna help the lashes blend, but it's gonna help my lashes blend better. It's also gonna give that grunge makeup look that's really popular right now. I'm just smoking it out with a little brush. I'm gonna throw these lashes on. They're from Kiss and they're in the style Ruffle. We did lashes. I'm using my Makeup by Mario compact, per usual. Y'all know the drill. This is NARS Savage Blush, a little bit of that to just add some blush, a little bit on my nose. Today we're gonna do Makeup Forever lip liner per usual. I feel like I always use this lip liner. I also like to overline my lips a little bit. I'm using this lipstick from Gwen Stefani's makeup line. I honestly don't know the name of this makeup line. I just know it's from Gwen Stefani. Is it Give? Is it called Give? Is that what it's called? I don't know. I'm not sure. And then I'm going to top it with this beautiful gloss that I've been obsessed with. It's from Juvia's Place. It looks blue, but this is how it looks on the lips. It has some blue sparkle, but it's so pretty. Alright, so for my inner corner, I just used this shade. Just use this shade called Isle, which is right here, to do my inner corner, to apply this in the inner corner. All right, so this is the finished look. I personally love this product. I think it looks amazing, y'all. Definitely try it. The shade 24N does work for me like an all over product, but for under eye concealer I would have to definitely go a little lighter. If you wanted to contour, for sure you can use the contour shades that I use, which were 27W and 29N are both great contour shades if you're like my skin tone. I am definitely a fan, okay girl? Like, I love this stuff. One of the claims is that it has no creasing, and I can kind of see that. Like, I'm not seeing as much creasing as I typically get, so I do think the creasing portion is definitely true. I don't think I saw many claims about the longevity, so I'm gonna look real quick to see if I find anything. It says did not crease after 12 hours, so I guess that's definitely a long wearing claim. Also, I can typically tell how long something's gonna last on me as soon as I apply it. I just know how my skin works and how different products work, and this feels like, I feel like this is gonna be one of those that's gonna last a while. By the way it's looking with me having it on for about 30 minutes. Since I sit under these hotter lights, a lot of times foundations or skin complexion products will start to show their true colors while I'm still filming, because the lighting is hot, and it just kind of, you can kind of already tell where it's gonna go. With this one, it still looks really good. Like, it hasn't budged. It looks like I just applied it. I think it's a winner. I personally think you guys should try it. Let me know down below if you will, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.